Bonjour à tous, this is Anushka Man and I welcome you all to French One Stop. So today is going to be a very interesting class. We are going to learn about oui, non and si. Oui is yes in French, non is no and si is something different about which you will learn today. Before we begin today's class, I hope that you all are following my video lectures. So this is a free course which is aimed to teach you people French right from the basics, right from the alphabets. I upload one short video every single day along with some practice questions. So all of you who are interested in learning French right from the basics, right from scratch and want to build up your concepts and that too just for free, then I would highly recommend that you subscribe to my channel and then regularly follow my video lectures every single day. Let's get started with today's class. So first of all, we clearly know how oui and non are used in sentences. How yes and no will be used in sentences. If you want to affirm to a certain condition, you say oui. If you want to, negate a certain condition, you say non. For example, if I ask you, vous complétez votre travail? Vous complétez votre travail? Have you completed your work? You will reply, oui, j'ai complété mon travail. And if you haven't, you will say, non, je n'ai pas complété mon travail. Non, je n'ai pas complété mon travail. Suppose let us take one more example. Vous voudrez boire du thé? Vous voudrez boire du thé? Would you like some tea? You will reply oui or no according to your preference. So the usage of oui and no is pretty simple. So let us learn about si, which is pretty new to most people. Si is used when we want to give a positive answer to a negative question. For example, if someone asks you, do you not study French? Do you not study French? So you will say, si, I study French. Si, I study French. So this is just meant to be an example. So the question was in a negative form. Someone is saying that you don't study French, but you gave the answer that you do study French. Vous n'êtes pas étudiant? Vous n'êtes pas étudiant? You are not students? Si, nous sommes étudiants. Si, nous sommes étudiantes. Si, we are students. You see, we have given a positive answer to a negative question. And for that we use si. Not we, not no, but si. Let us take one more example. Suppose you live in Paris. Suppose you live in Paris and someone asks you, vous n'habitez pas à Paris? Vous n'habitez pas à Paris? So you will say, si, j'habite à Paris. Si, j'habite à Paris. I live in Paris. So you see, you have given a positive answer to a negative question. And in such cases, we use si. So that's it for today, guys. I hope now you have a basic idea how to use oui, non and si in French language. I have attached a document below with some more examples. You should go through that document after watching this video to get a clearer idea on this topic. So see you in the next video. Au revoir.